Hello guys. Meet with me again, Kalian. Welcome back again with another video of Meow. As usual, let's get into the intro first. This morning, the rain was falling heavily. I really wanted to play in the front yard. I have imagined catching dragonflies, running around with the other's cat, or playing with the grass. But I have to hold back from playing in the yard because of the rain that kept falling heavily. Human, how about we use an umbrella? Maybe we can play under the umbrella and avoid the rain. But the rain still fell very heavily. Even with the umbrella, we would still get wet. It looks like the rain would take time until it stopped. Okay guys, I think I am going to enjoy the rain with just relax. Maybe next time, I would play in the yard, when the weather is clear and the sun shines bright. Okay guys, I will enjoy my relaxed time. Thanks for watching guys. I will very happy if you like, subscribe and leave comment guys. We love you all.